Alrighty, well, everyone. So what I have here is a work in progress. Me and my brother have been working on it. This is a electric hurdy-gurdy, 3D printed. We found the instructions online. I'm gonna put those in the description here. This is a work in progress. I've been toying around with my mini amp here and like the tone knobs and stuff. Try to get a good sound out of it. Very much a work in progress. Let's hear how it sounds. See, I can't. We have to work on it more because it barely does anything when you do this, but it does that. Let's try to play Sandstorm, maybe. I don't know how to play this really. I'm gonna learn though. I thought this was a neat project and can't wait till it's fully out. I might even sell these things, but you never know. Ounce out.